Let's get you started with some breaking news that's coming in. Supreme Court has sought a personal affidavit of West Bengal DGP while hearing the case on the SIR exercise. A show cause notice has been issued to the DGP of Bengal as well. This is in connection with the alleged threats and violence that we saw against EC officials that were engaged in their official duties while conducting the SIR exercise. The Supreme Court has gone on to say that the final decision on inclusion or exclusion will be taken by EROs, which is the Election Commission's officers. All documents issued by competent authorities will be accepted by the Election Commission.
ভাই আপনি বলে দিন তাহলে আমাকে আপনি বলে দিন না তো ইয়ারও তাদের নাম তাদের যা ডিসিশন আছে নেওয়া হবে এই যে হিয়ারিংটা এখন আরো 7 দিন বাড়িয়ে দেওয়া হলো
This hearing they have extended for more 7 days.
যারা অবজেকশন দিয়েছে সেই অবজেকশনগুলোকেও গ্রহণ করতে হবে
So the objections which has been given, that also has to be accepted. That's what the court has said.
এই ডিসিশনটাও ফাইনাল ডিসিশনটা নেবে ইআরও
The final decision in every case will be taken by ERO. That has been said by the court.
Commission যে রাজ্য সরকার একটা কেসে এফআইআর করতে নির্দেশ দিয়েছিল কেন হয়নি সেটা ডিজিপি কে তার অ্যাফিডেভিট এক্সপ্লেন করতে বলেছে
So there is Kalyan Banerjee is also saying that ECI has said that FIR was supposed to be lodged against certain officials. Government has not done it. So DGP has been given a show cause notice, show cause, so that he gives a personal affidavit on that.
অবজেকশন দেবে যারা ক্লেম করবে যারা তাদের তাদের যে সেটাকে
So ERO is the person who will take the final decision. That's what Kalyan Banerjee is saying.
Micro observer, election commission, pending. সেটা আর চলবে না ইলেকশন কমিশনের ডিসিশন ইজ ফাইনাল ERO decision is final.
ERO's decision is final.
Kalyan Banerjee there, right after the verdict in the Supreme Court, coming out and briefing the press, going on to talk about the show cause notice and the affidavit that the DGP of West Bengal will now have to file as per directions from the Supreme Court. Kamalika, my colleague who was just translating Kalyan Banerjee, is also joining us, getting us more details on this. This is going to be a crucial notice that the DGP has to respond to, because it looks like there is some amount of responsibility that has been put in by the court on the DGP and the police force for being unable to stop the kind of violence that we saw during the SIR exercise.
See, there are 2-3 things which is very important in today's hearing that has come up from the court. Number one is obviously a show cause notice, show cause to the DGP, where the DGP has been asked to file a personal affidavit and give the reasons for which the Election Commission has stated certain law and order issues. They have pointed out certain law and order issues. And also there were certain decisions to be taken against certain officials of certain officials of state government who are EROs and AEROs. So the DGP has to give a personal affidavit. That's what the court has said. Now that is definitely something which is very big and which the Election Commission was asking for. On the other hand, this is the case obviously which Mamata Banerjee did against the Election Commission. Here 8,500, near about 8,500 micro observers, they were against the micro observers, and there also the court has said that the micro observers, that the observers now will be from the state government, as state government has already given a list. They have to report and immediately start the work. Now the point is 14th February, the final list was supposed to come out. Now court has given an extension of 7 days. We know that in various districts, hearing has also not completed, and the CEO of Bengal already has written a letter to the Election Commission of India to extend the date. So one thing is very clear, that the final roll will not come out on 14th February. Now that is something which is very important, because with the present situation, and with the court's direction, there is in no way the roll will come out, that electoral roll. The final electoral roll, which was supposed to come out on the 14th, will not come out because this extension has to be there. The Supreme Court's order, if they go by the Supreme Court's order, then in no way that this extension means that if it is till 14 February, then in no way this final roll will come out, number one. Number two, today's court's observation and court directions are to some extent 50-50 for both Mamta Banerjee and for Election Commission.
Sure.
For Mamta Banerjee, the point is that Election Commission will now have to work with the state-appointed observers that will be appointed by tomorrow or today itself. That's what the court has said. Because micro-observers was something which the Trinamool and Mamta Banerjee was opposing. But at the same time, the show cause to DGP is something which is very important and which has a weight. And the fact that the entire thing will again be delayed, and 14th February, the final roll.
So
will
that
not
extension
come
has
out.
come
It's
to the
something-
fore from the Supreme Court, and notices have been issued. A personal affidavit also needs to be furnished by the Bengal DGP. Kamalika, do stay on with us. Ananya also joining us, getting us more perspective. Ananya, what else transpired during the hearing in court? Is it a mixed bag, like Kamalika was also pointing out?
Well, it is in fact a hearing that always comes up with a lot of drama happening. Yeah, last time we saw Mamta Banerjee appearing herself again. However, this time, Sham Diwan was appearing for Mamta Banerjee and clearly pointing out that, there had been certain discrepancies. There was AI software that was at play, and that is why, these kinds of notices have been issued. However, one very important aspect of this hearing was with regards to how, the enumeration forms were being burnt and there had been violence during this SIR process that is there. And that's exactly why the Supreme Court has now issued a notice to the West Bengal DGP. If you remember, CNN News 18 had actually broken down for its viewers affidavit that the Election Commission of India had actually filed in a matter pertaining to West Bengal SIR, wherein it had very categorically alleged that violence is something that is taking place in the SIR process in the state of West Bengal, unlike the other states where the process has been completed peacefully. The election officials are being attacked, and that taking note of all of those submissions. Now the Supreme Court has in fact issued a show cause notice to the West Bengal DGP. How would he respond, and what would be his defense is something that we'll have to wait and watch for.
Right, do keep a track of what transpires. For the moment though, Ananya and Kamalika, thank you so much for getting us the latest.